Multiple choice questions on mainframe computer. First one. Mainframe computers are classified based on what? Option A, gaming capabilities. Option B, battery life. Option C, screen resolution. Option D, processing power and scalability. Mainframe computers are classified based on what? The correct answer is D. Mainframe computers are classified based on processing power and scalability. Next question. Which component is the main processing unit of a mainframe computer? Option A, keyboard. Option B, central processing unit. Option C, monitor. Option D, mouse. Which component is the main processing unit of a mainframe computer? The correct answer is option B. Central processing unit is the main processing unit of a mainframe computer. Next question. Mainframe computers use multiple processors to do what? Option A, handle large workloads efficiently. Option B, improve gaming graphics. Option C, reduce energy consumption. Option D, support only a single user. Which one is the correct answer? Mainframe computers use multiple processors to do what? Option A is the correct answer. Handle large workloads efficiently. Mainframe computers use multiple processors to handle large workloads efficiently. Next question. What type of storage do mainframe computers primarily use? Option A, solid state drives, SSD. Option B, magnetic tape and high capacity hard drives. Option C, USB flash drives. Option D, DVD storage. Which one is correct answer? What type of storage do mainframe computers primarily use? Mainframe computers primarily use magnetic tape and high capacity hard drives. So option B is correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is an example of a mainframe computer? Option A, IBM Z series. Option B, Google Chromebook. Option C, PlayStation 5. Option D, Apple iPad. Which one is the example of mainframe computer? IBM Z series is the example of a mainframe computer here. So option A is correct answer. Next question. What company is best known for manufacturing mainframe computers? Option A, Intel. Option B, Microsoft. Option C, NVIDIA. Option D, IBM. Which one is best known for manufacturing mainframe computers? IBM. IBM is best known for manufacturing mainframe computer. Next question. In which industry are mainframe computers commonly used? Option A, home entertainment. Option B, personal blogging. Option C, small business retail. Option D, banking and finance. In which industry mainframe computers commonly used? The correct answer is banking and finance. In banking and finance, mainframe computers are commonly used. Next question. Why are mainframe computers used in airline reservations? Option A, to store flight manuals. Option B, to improve aircraft fuel efficiency. Option C, to process large volumes of passenger bookings and flight schedules. Option D, to provide in-flight entertainment. Which one is correct answer? For what mainframe computers are used in airline reservations? The correct answer is C, to process large volumes of passenger bookings and flight schedules. Mainframe computers are used in airline reservations. Next question. Which government function relies on mainframe computers? Option A, social media management. Option B, national security and defense. Option C, online shopping recommendations. Option D, video streaming services. Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is B, national security and defense. It is a government function. It relies on mainframe computer. So option B is the correct answer. The last question of this episode: how do banks use mainframe computers? Option A, for processing large-scale transactions and financial data. Option B, for gaming and customer fun. Option C, for small-scale accounting tasks. Option D, for mobile phone manufacturing. Which one is the correct answer? How do banks use mainframe computers? The correct answer is A. Banks use mainframe computers for processing large-scale transactions and financial data. That's the end of this episode. Thank you very much.